Okay, so let's work on creating stronger and bigger legs. So longer you keep this knee bent, more powerful your step will look. So see knee bent, and with the resistance of the back leg, so keep pressing this leg. Try to keep this leg as you move as long as possible bent, and then at the last moment straighten. In this case, you will do very big step with a very powerful leg and walk, 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 walk. Yes. So longer your knee is drag and bend as you move, as you push, stronger the legs will be. Walk, 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 walk. Now the same, let's try in cha-cha-cha. And walk, walk, cha-cha, walk, 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 cha-cha. So for the females, it's very important to have a very beautiful, long, stretched legs. But most of you guys, you straight your leg too soon. But if you create a strong resistance and also start lifting the heel and move, 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 and at the very last moment straight this knee. So try to keep it bent long as possible. Then it's just gonna have a little bit better effect. Try with me. Go and walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. Longer walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. Walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. And so longer that knee bend, but the knee bend is not just stopped stationary. So your body is active, you push, 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 and travel with that. And then it will naturally itself will straighten at the end. Instead of, going very short. So now using this principle, go through your choreography slowly, and wherever you step, try to apply this principle of longer the leg, especially at the beginning. So you're going and walk, walk, and 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. For example, here you're going spiral. You keep this like longer. Cha, cha, 1. Run, they boom, in, walk, cha. Like especially here. Let's say this is also a step here, and yeah, keep dragging that. Walk and walk. Hip, hip, hip. Now this first step, this leg, yeah, as big as possible, strong as possible. Walk, twist, twist, twist. Now here 90-degree twist, and the next one is 90 degrees straight your leg, and go and yeah, and walk, walk. So this walk. So when you did 90-degree, this walk could be that knee, 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 knee step. So you have a little bit better length, and walk, 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 and twist. Yeah. Yeah, keep twisting, keep working. Yeah, let's finish that. Okay, let's do after you're ready. After you do turn, turn, turn into the walking section. Right. Hip, hip. Here, yeah, so this one. So you want to really have strong resistance and really stretch those, like keep this knee working, traveling the last minute step. Walk, excellent. Cha, cha, walk. Taka, 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 cha. One. Now this one. Cha, 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 cha. 1. And especially this step. 2. This. Now this step. 3. Keep stretching. Boom, 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 boom. Cha, cha. 1. But this one is different because this one is a delay. So this one you're gonna slide. Keep it straight. Walk. Walk. Here, this one. Cha, cha. 1. In, out, in, out, in, out. So, idea, keeping this knee bending as it travels as long as possible, and at the last minute stretch it to create much bigger step, stronger performance.